Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an electrifying journey through the history of electric cars. From their humble beginnings to the high-tech marvels of today, let's explore the evolution of electric vehicles. Electric cars actually date back to the late 1800s. Innovators like Thomas Edison and others were experimenting with electric-powered vehicles long before gasoline engines took over. However, back then, electric cars faced challenges like limited range due to battery technology and lack of charging infrastructure. As gasoline-powered cars gained popularity due to longer ranges and faster refueling, electric cars took a backseat for several decades. In the 1970s, environmental concerns and oil crises sparked renewed interest in electric cars. Automakers started experimenting with electric prototypes. It wasn't until the 21st century that electric cars began to make a significant comeback. The Nissan Leaf and Tesla Roadster were among the pioneers, offering improved range and performance. Technological advances in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and renewable energy sources led to the development of more practical and efficient electric vehicles. Today, electric cars have transitioned from niche to mainstream. Major automakers offer a variety of models, and charging networks continue to expand. Looking ahead, the electric car industry is on the brink of even more exciting advancements, from self-driving capabilities to longer ranges and sustainable materials. And there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating history of electric cars. From their early days as curious experiments to their current status as game-changing transportation, the electric car journey is full of innovation and promise. Thanks for joining us on this electrifying ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Until next time, stay charged.